Mountain Creek with no snow, but we're still here. First wipeout. I don't remember how to snowboard. You should just come up.
You guys are on the list when I
Your complaining is on camera. Cosmo, on a scale of 1 to awesome, how good was this day?
3. Awesome.
Okay, Dan. Well, the scale could be 1 to 3 scale.
Yeah, 3 might be right before awesome. Or not.
You guys go. So you see this gear?
I lost my edge. I want to try the second jump. Wanna go again? That just like pops off your helmet. Like one of those push things that you push and you wait and then it flies up in the air.